Council is called to order.
Members of the United Nations Security Council said Friday any attempt by Russia to deliver humanitarian aid to Ukraine would be considered an invasion. UN Ambassador to the U.S., Samantha Power.
And given that Ukraine has allowed international humanitarian groups to deliver aid within its territory, there is no logical reason why Russia should seek to deliver it. Therefore, any further unilateral intervention by Russia into Ukrainian territory, including one under the guise of providing humanitarian aid, would be completely unacceptable and deeply alarming, and it would be viewed as an invasion of Ukraine.
NATO says Russia might be preparing for an invasion with some 20,000 troops they've stationed along the Ukraine border. Moscow denies the allegations. Along with humanitarian aid, Western countries have been supplying the Ukrainian armed forces with military equipment. A Canadian cargo plane loaded with helmets, protective vests, and first aid kits landed in Kiev on Friday. Government forces say they're gradually tightening the noose around the heavily armed pro-Russian separatists. The United Nations says more than 1,100 people, including government forces, rebels, and civilians, have been killed in the conflict so far.